Good morning, guys. Welcome to Himalayan Chronicles. Happy Sunday to all of you. I hope you might be wondering how we are taking these beautiful videos that are getting published to our channel. I hope you have seen our Everest Base Camp, Annapurna Base Camp videos. Do check out if you have not seen. So, let's get started. I'm going to show you the beautiful cameras that we use and what settings that we prefer. So, first is our action camera. So what is the action camera? Action camera is required, to take video in extreme weather conditions, especially during rains. It should be waterproof, guys. So I'm using OSMO action camera. It supports 4K up to 60 frames per second. It supports dual screen 4K HDR, waterproof up to 11 meters, guys. And it also got rock steady, where even agar the image is getting moved across or tilted across, it's going to autocorrect itself. It also got 4K 60p as well as 1080p 8x zoom, digital zoom. Guys, also accompanied with the OSMO Action app. So I would say enjoy this beautiful video. So this is the OSMO Action camera, guys. I'm going to open it. Very beautiful. So let me go straight to the camera. So this is the camera. As you can see, the beautiful camera with all its glory. Very big lens, and it has got a dual screen, front screen and a back screen, and it has got the external microphones, and there is a battery compartment, guys. And I can remove this I can use to charge by USB-C port. And now I'm going to closing it out. So let's turn it on. So I've turned it on. You need to press the button on the left side. So I'm turning it on, guys. As you can see, the beautiful camera has started. And it has got multiple options, guys. Multiple features are there. Right now it's in HDR. As you can see, HDR 4K 30 frames per second. I can change the modes. Here I can go to slow motion, live recording, loop recording, slow motion, HDR, and the normal video, time lapse and hyperlapse. If I go to video, it will give you more options like 4K 60 frames. You can see 60 frames, guys. And when I do a left to the screen, I can get auto settings, ISO as well as shutter speed along with manual. Now take it across, scroll down, you will see auto tilt on the left side, and there you have brightness control where you can change the brightness, lock and additional settings, HDR video. Many settings are available, guys. It gives you the grid layout, sounds, anti-flicker, temperature threshold, lot of features, screen auto sleep, recording, and etc. Also, it supports voice control. When I turn on this icon, voice control is on, and I need to swipe it up to come back to the live view. Just do a double tap, tick tick. Automatically the screen is going to shift to the front screen. That's the front screen, guys. You can see the front screen with all its glory. Especially useful for vlogging, the front screen. And the battery life is amazing, guys. 4K 60 frames. I am getting around 90 minutes continuous recording in normal climates. In heavy hot climates, you get a temperature warning threshold. You can set it to low or high, and as per the setting, it's going to turn off in maybe roughly about 10 minutes or 15 minutes depending on the heat conditions if you are shooting in real sunlight. Overall, I see a form factor is very good. Beautiful form factor. Now double tap again, 1, 2. The screen is going to turn automatically back to the back view where you can picturize the videos. And here you can see lot of modes here. Quick switch. That's again the screen switch from back to front. And here video, HDR video, slow motion, time lapse, hyperlapse, and photo. Guys, you will not believe, photo is just amazing. Now let's see, let me grab a photo. And I click it countdown will start, and it grabs the photo. Photo is amazing, guys. Just swipe it from right to left. You can see the photo over here. This is the photo it took. In ambient lighting condition, photo is amazing. I really liked it. And now I'm back to the main menu. This is the main menu, guys. To turn it off, press and hold the left button. It will shut down. The shutdown and startup speeds are also quite fast. When I click on this button, it's going to start the camera in just 1 or 2 seconds max, and I can quickly start the recording by pressing the right button. Within 3 seconds it's going to photo mode, since we have closed in the photo mode earlier. Now I am going to the video mode. Just I need to click on this button and the video has been recording has started. You can see pretty anti-flicker is enabled now. You can see there is no flickering or image rollover. Very clear guys, as you can see. Let me show you the other options real quick. Now scroll to the bottom, you can see the settings, voice control, snapshot, quick switch, wireless connection. Yes, it's supposed to wireless connection to your mobile device. You can connect this camera to your mobile to see the live preview on the mobile itself, and then you can have wind noise reduction to cut down the ambient voice of the wind, sounds, high, low, face oriented exposure. So it detects the faces, human faces, and it automatically controls the exposure and the focus. Grid on off, auto flicker off, temperature threshold. This is very interesting. If I put high, it's going to stay for a long on the warm mode, especially when the battery is getting heated up. You go threshold level. When I put high, it's not going to shut down automatically. But always recommended to put high, low, depending upon what weather you are shooting. Screen mode, auto sleep 1 minute, recording screen off 1 minute. So when I'm not recording in 1 minute, it's going to auto shut down. Auto power off 5 minutes. And USB LED all on means all the lights, the green light, the front light, all lights are illuminated, showing your current mode and current recording status. Format SD card, factory reset. Very self-explanatory guys. OSMO is wonderful, and it also gives you latest firmware update on a regular basis. And this setting is for full screen front off or on. I can zoom in the front screen. Let me show you. So now I do quick switch. You can be able to see the zoom one. So the front screen is fully occupied. It's going to zoom in the front screen to use the full display. If not, I can also make it like a 16:9. So for example, I will make it 16:9 now. Now I'm going to shift the front setting. As you can see, now it is 16:9, showing the other options as well. Very clear options available. And guys, battery last, as I told you, depending on especially on the weather conditions. In ideal conditions, I am getting 90 minutes in 4K 60 frames per second with Rocksteady on. Rocksteady is nothing but the quality. It automatically, it corrects the camera movements. Even when your object is shaking, it's going to correct the footage. I really like it guys. All the recordings that we have done used by this camera, you can check on our channel as well. And this is the auto rotate. When I put the camera like this, it's going to rotate automatically. As you can see, the orientation automatically rotates. Overall, I really liked it. Amazing guys. And let me show you, let me shut down the camera. I'll show you how to open the battery compartment. So we need to click like this and then open it, open the latch. Then you need to open it. Now this is the camera without the housing. Even without the housing, it is waterproof. 11 meters under the sea or under the water, fresh water as well. Now there are two tabs here. I need to press the tab, both tabs at the same time. So this is the battery. This is the battery guys. I'm going to insert it back. Press firmly. This both indicators should be perfectly fixed, then only it is waterproof. Now I need to turn it on. I can just press this. So it has got turned on by itself. Now again I can record it. It's recording now. As you can see, quite good features guys. So I would say all Action Pro camera folks can use this. Let me see you the quality. You can see now it is recording. So it is actually showing the red symbol. Now let me stop the recording. I'll show you how the recording is done, how it is recorded. Now I'm going to scroll to the left side. I'm playing it now. As you can see, the quality, pretty clear quality guys. I really liked it. Now we are going to again switch the screen to the front. Let's turn on again. Let me stop the recording and switch the screen to the front. So now you can see the front screen in all its glory. And this is the protector for the camera lens. This is aluminum body with Gorilla Glass on top, which will protect. And this grill acts as a heat sink to dissipate heat. When you feel the camera is becoming hot, this acts as a heat sink to actually dissipate the heat so that the camera is in cool way. So guys, very beautiful, simple camera. Supports multiple option time lapse to take your sunset views, sunrise views. It supports you multiple settings. Let me show you quickly. I'm going to change the mode now to time lapse, slow motion, time lapse. So here you can, frankly, you can actually have a lot of controls here. So as you can see here, it supports different ISO speeds, lot of things. So really mind-blowing guys, I really like it. So here I can change the time as per the requirement. Interval 3 seconds, 4 seconds, duration 5 minutes, 2 minutes. Lot of durations are supported depending on the requirement. Sunset, sunrise, cloud. You can do a lot of cloud coverages. You might be seeing Annapurna Base Camp time-lapse videos were taken by this camera. So overall, very good camera guys. I really love it. Just amazing. The cost would be roughly around 24K. Available on OSMO Action website as well as Amazon and dailyobjects.com. And we also have iamstudent.com, studentdeals.com. There are multiple websites which offer you good amount of discounts. But overall the camera is good. The battery life is very amazing. Let me show you what comes in the box. In the box I have a USB cable type C. And let me see what else is there. This is the connector, especially useful for connecting helmets and so on. This is the bolt. The bolt is used to connect that. And you have also a lot of things guys. One more helmet connection is there. So this fix onto the helmet where you can mount the camera to record your videos. Now I'm going to show you another accessory that you have to buy separately. It's called the OSMO Action charging kit with extra batteries. It gives you a charging option to charge 3 batteries at the same time. 1 battery is been given by the OSMO Action itself, and 2 additional batteries are also given when you buy this kit. It's around roughly 7,500 rupees Indian rupee, depending on from where you purchase. It's available on multiple websites, Flipkart, Amazon, Daily Objects. A lot of sites are there. And let me open it very real quick. So you have 2 batteries here, 2 battery cases. Let me open one of the case for you. So that's the battery guys. Very lucky, we are getting a protective case for the battery as well. That's good. And let me show you the actual charger. And guys, this is the actual charger. So it has got 3 slots inside. There's a USB-C. There's a button over here, and this is the battery. So let me insert this battery now, and I'll show you how the indicators work. Okay. So these indicators are very intelligent indicators. It will give you how much battery is left, how much battery is still charging. I'm going to align this battery like this, and I'm going to press it. And now I'm going to press this button. As you can see, the light is glowing with full on, so it is fully charged. When it blinks 3 times, it is 75%. When it blinks 2 times, it is 50%. When it blinks 1 time, it is 25%, guys. So now it is fully charged. Okay, that's how you remove this battery. Overall, guys, these 2 accessories are the must if you're traveling a lot. OSMO Action camera along with the battery pack will definitely give you good recording. 90 minutes per battery roughly. So 3 batteries fully charged, you get about 270 minutes of battery. You can do talk of lot of time lapses, hyper lapses, and so on. So I suggest go for the OSMO Action camera along with the charging kit. Pretty mind blowing, guys.